Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I'm standing on board our 2020 Boston Whaler 210 Dauntless. Guys, if you've seen any of these videos, you know how much I love the Dauntlesses. I own a Dauntless. These boats just work so incredibly well for this part of the country. They're phenomenal. And if you've seen any news from the month of March or into April, you know how many people are using their boats right now. They really work. So this boat we love, and we're gonna go front to back real quick and talk about it. Starting at the back of this boat, it's got Mercury's 200 horsepower, new 3.4 liter V6 in white. Perfect complement for this boat. It runs high in the 40s, really loves that motor and incredibly fuel efficient. That also gives you hydraulic steering from U-Flex in the back. That's Mercury's setup, and it really works well. Part of the reason I got a Dauntless, I like this right here. These big hinges, this big top. It's a great place to fish, but it's a phenomenal bench for friends and family when you need it. This boat also has a soft top on it. This is a powder-coated hard top with canvas over top. It's actually just a little bit bigger than the fiberglass hardtop version on the boat. Shades it a premium in South Florida, and it's part of the reason I like it. Real convenient storage underneath for life jackets, something like that. This has what they call their premium leaning post here. So you've got a live well underneath. It's big, it's rounded corners, it's got a center drain in it, it's lit. Guys, it's a really good live well for the fishermen. It does well. And these rods right here are super convenient when you're rigging baits or just doing something back here. You got a slot for your pliers, for knives. They take great care of you. Up at the dash or the helm here, you've got a Fusion stereo. You're gonna see Fusion and JL anytime on these modern whalers when you've got a stereo option. We'll drop a 9-inch or even larger if we can make it work in the dash if you're looking for that. And you got a full complement of switches and what Boston Whaler calls their smart box. So that's actually gonna be sealed with cell phone chargers inside. This boat's got the trim tabs with LED option, digital controls. And then the final piece that makes kind of a Dauntless this great hybrid, when you step forward, you've got a great place. You'll see all the snaps on the deck. This is where you can relax, you can lay out, or you can pull the cushions off and stand on it like I am. And this is a great place to fish 2, even 3 people. You'll see the rod holders down. They think it through. They give you room up through the canvas top that you can store them. And some of the boats will actually be plumbed with a forward live well, so you have dual live wells like this boat has. Fish box goes under the floor right here. It's drained, it's insulated, and really convenient. Anchor locker forward. And if you're gonna fish it seriously, spot for a trolling motor. Guys, I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax Sarasota, and this is our 2020 Boston Whaler 210 Dauntless. If you want to get out on the water, enjoy a little bit of that emerald, beautiful water we have, give us a call, MarineMax Sarasota. Thanks.